What is the first thing that you think of when you hear the words SFIC? Complicated? Confusing? Well, I want you to think of happy customers, opportunity, business growth, and of course, profitability. Learn SFIC. Master the product, the skills, and the profit. Not only are we covering the math, but we're going way beyond that. We're going to talk about how to manage and set up systems. We're going to go over pricing and all the little things that really add up when it comes to actually performing the SFIC work out in the real world for customers. And when you purchase this course, you get lifetime value. So as time goes on and we add content, or maybe it's been a little while since you've worked on SFIC and you need a little brush up, no problem. Go ahead and log on in and get up to date. So if you want to up your game, your skill level when it comes to SFIC, check out the link in the notes below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, congratulations, you've made it to the end of the video. You probably deserve a medal, maybe a plaque. But hey, I want to make sure that when you're commenting that you're including the hashtag LockBoss. When you do, you automatically get entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we're giving away each week here live on YouTube on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. We'll see you in the comments.